And a big development of the morning is regarding Zubeen Garg's death. Probe festival organizer Shyam Kanu Mahanta and late singer actor's manager Siddharth Sharma have now been arrested in Delhi and in fact were brought to Guwahati by the SIT constituted by the Assam government to probe the mysterious and untimely death of Zubeen Garg. Incidentally, today the Assam government is organizing the public 13-day Shraddha ceremony in Jorhat, allowing people to pay their tributes. Remember, event organizer Shyam Kanu Mahanta, named in connection with death of singer-composer Zubeen Garg, had announced that he was returning to Assam and would cooperate fully with the authorities. In fact, he made a post on Facebook last on September 29th. Ever since that, his Facebook profile has vanished. Mahanta in that post had said that he has informed the police of his return and was ready to face a special investigation team. He wrote, and I quote, "I have nothing to hide. I will answer all the questions. I demand a high-level and thorough probe into Zubeen Garg's death." His statement came amid growing controversy after Zubeen's passing in Singapore on September 19. Several FIRs in Assam had named Mahanta for his alleged negligence alongside Zubeen's manager Siddharth Sharma. On the same day, the Assam government sought the Ministry of Home Affairs' help to invoke the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty with Singapore, while lookout notices were also issued against Mahanta and Siddharth Sharma. Their bank accounts were also frozen earlier, with both directed to appear before the CID in Guwahati by October 6th. Now, the special investigation team probing the death of legendary Assamese singer Zubeen Garg had detained musician Shekhar Jyoti Goswami a couple of days ago, since he was present during the controversial yacht trip linked to the incident. Goswami was reportedly grilled for almost 3 days as part of the ongoing investigation. Now, 2 arrests have been made. One of North East India Festival's organizer Shyam Kanu Mahanta, another one of Zubeen's manager Siddharth Sharma. They've been sent to 14 days of judicial custody. Investigation will be followed. We are tracking all the updates here for the viewers of News9 with regards to the untimely death of Zubeen Garg and the investigation and probe which is going on at the moment. Assam government is also organizing the public 13-day Shraddha ceremony in Jorhat, allowing people to pay their tributes to late Zubeen Garg. Investigation intensifying with 2 arrests being made. Both of them were brought in from Singapore to Delhi and then Delhi to Guwahati. Shyam Kanu Mahanta, Siddharth Sharma, both of them now under arrest, sent to 14 days of judicial custody for further questioning. While Shyam Kanu Mahanta was very active on Facebook, speaking about coming to the SIT himself for further investigation and speaking about full cooperation, there was no word from Siddharth Sharma. His family was also not available earlier when SIT went to his residence for investigation. Now he's been caught, has been arrested. Both of them sent to Guwahati for further questioning. Under arrest, 14 days of judicial custody has been granted. Their names were mentioned in multiple FIRs which were filed throughout the Assam. Calls for an investigation into the controversy over Zubeen Garg's untimely death was only intensifying. They were growing louder. Assam's Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sarma had assured people of Assam that a strict investigation will take place into the matter of Zubeen's passing. Remember, Several FIRs in Assam had named Mahanta for alleged negligence. Assam government earlier had sought the Ministry of Home Affairs' help to invoke the Mutual Legal Assistance Treaty with Singapore in a bid to get hold of Shyam Kanu Mahanta and Siddharth Sharma, while lookout notices were also issued against Mahanta and Siddharth Sharma. As part of the ongoing crackdown, their bank accounts were also frozen, with both directed to appear before the CID in Guwahati by October 6th. My colleague Varghese is joining us on the phone line to provide us more details. Varghese, what more details you have collected from your sources since morning, apart from the arrests which have been made in the case?
What we understand is that they were brought to Delhi first, and after being brought to Delhi, the Singapore authorities, in fact, cooperated with ensuring that, especially Shyam Kanu Mahanta, the person who had organized the Northeast Festival in Singapore, that he was immediately sent along with the special investigation team with them to India, and therefore they landed in Delhi. And once they had landed in Delhi, the arrest was in fact registered. Both the person Shyam Kanu Mahanta as well as Siddharth Sharma, both of them have been in fact taken into 14-day police custody as well. This is after they were produced before the CID and then CID office, after which they were taken to the court, and the Chief Judicial Magistrate of Kamrup Metro District has in fact now sent them to the 14-day police custody. So what we understand is that as of now, the investigations would progress with both of them who have been part of the organization of that Northeast Festival, especially the manager who has been aware of the programs of Zubeen Garg as well as that of Mahantu. Both of them will now be interrogated by the CID as well as the SIT teams, and they will try to understand what exactly happened to Zubeen Garg. What we understand officially is that Zubeen Garg had gone on a swim, after which he said to have in fact drowned, and the post-mortem reports also spoke of him being, or rather him facing asphyxiation because of too much of drinking of water that has happened. So his situation has in fact been something that has raised concerns, and now a second autopsy was also carried out in Assam after the body was brought in from Singapore, and after that the report now further investigations are being carried out in the case of Zubeen Garg. Now these are two prominent arrests that have been made, and now this case has been centering around these two people, especially Siddharth as well as Mahanta, and let us see what it would in fact throw up as the days progress.
All right, Varghese, thank you so much for joining us with all those details. I'm also being joined by Digjyoti Lakar, who is joining us live on the broadcast. Digjyoti, if you could provide us more details on the investigation front at the moment, apart from the arrests which have been made, what exactly is going to happen next?
It was very... today is the 13th day of the tragic date of legend Zubeen Garg, and today at Jorhat, the government of Assam has been organizing a huge public tribute program, and just on early morning, Shyam Kanu Mahanta, who is identified as the main culprit of people of Assam, along with his manager Siddharth Sharma, they have been brought to Assam early this morning by flight from Delhi. At around 6:45 they reach Guwahati, and after that they have been directly took away to the residence of CGM Kamrup Metro, and where the Chief Judicial Magistrate sent them to 14 days police custody. And now the SIT team will start the interrogation of Shyam Kanu Mahanta and Siddharth Sharma. The role of the Shyam Kanu Mahanta is questionable, because Zubeen Garg is a known case of epilepsy disease, and doctor has advised him so many times to stay away from water and fire. And Shyam Kanu Mahanta, who during his last Rangoli festival held at Guwahati in April, openly said that in a public meeting, who was in drunk condition, that Zubeen Garg is my heart, is my soul, he is our backbone. And during that thing, even Shajib Narayan, the owner of Prague News Channel, and some other businessmen, those who have been present during this Singapore journey were also present. Then, by viewing all these the videos and the previous experiences, people have come out largely after the death of Jubin Garg. And even we have seen when the news spread on 19th September itself that the icon and heartthrob of Assam, Jubin Garg, is no more, and he died in a mysterious condition in Singapore. Large number of people have come out. Lakhs of people were awaited outside Guwahati airport, and we have seen the somehow Assam government and the police, they have controlled the law and order situation. And for 4 days continuously, whole Guwahati was, not only Guwahati, entire Assam was closed for 4 days consecutively to give a mark to their legend, to their beloved singer, Jubin Garg. And by giving all kind of pressure, it has been raging at social media platform as well as in other platforms that to bring these two culprits immediately to Assam. And even people have demanded that public demanded openly in social media accounts and in media that these two culprits should be hanged. But the Chief Minister of Assam, Dr. Himanta Biswa Sharma, immediately after viewing the situation, he constituted SIT, Special Investigative Team, that led by ADGP Munna Prasad Gupta and and Dr. Roji Kolita Chaudhary as Chief Investigation Officer, along with other other 7 more officers. And this team, they have been working hard for the last few days. They have raided at various places. They seized Shyamkanu Mohanto's residence, and a lot of incriminating documents have been seized, and even Shyamkanu Mohanto's uh, bank accounts and other things have been seized. The situation was forced Shyamkanu Mohanto to come down to India. Even he was in Singapore. So Chief Minister of Assam wrote to Union Home Ministry to evoke mutual agreement treaty between the two countries. And even the Home Ministry has appealed Singapore government, and the Singapore government also expressed their willingness to support in this case.
Okay.
So,
All
and
right.
this, whatever we came to know that from reliable sources that Shyamkanu Mohanto came to the New Delhi by Air India flight at around 12:30 this this morning, early morning to at midnight, and after once his immigration has been checked out, he has been detained at immigration,
Okay.
and Delhi police handed over to Assam police.